Alright guys, Chris Combs here running my video for the 2018 Topps Hitter line. We got a Acuna, Torres, and a Devers. Mind you, I am a little bit tipsy right now, and I have to honestly say I'm watching baseball. I think Ohtani's a bum, but whatever. And we are going to go live. Well, or live W. Live W time at 11:26. Current time is 11:26. We are going to go to run a giveaway. Well, probably should grab that list right here. Definitely way too many beers and a couple way too many bourbons. Copy this list right here. We're going to go to run a giveaway. We're going to paste our list. And there's our list. And did I go live yet? Who the hell even knows right now? I'm going to scroll down here. It says live W at 11:26. It's 11:27 now, but same diff. Going to go here. We are going to run this. We're going to roll the dice. 18 hitter slot. Going to run the dice. As long as it's two or more, we are going. Here we go. Rolling the dice at 11:27. And we are going 11 times. That's amazing. Here we go. I don't know why this moved up. I'm going to bring this. I have no clue what the frick just happened. Full screen. There we go. I'm going to bring this back up. Hold on. Let me go over here. That's fine enough. Alright, so we got Dave for one, Melvin for one, Chris for one, Dave for one, Chris for one, Melvin for one, Paul for one, Mark for one, and Dave for one. Good luck, everybody. Here we go, 12 times, first time, and shit, I can't even see the time over here. I'm a little too tipsy. Here we go. We're just going to hit it. Alright, first time we got Dave. Second time we got Chris. Third time Melvin. Fourth time Dave. Fifth time Dave. Sixth time Mark. Seventh time Mark. Eighth time Paul. Ninth time Chris. 10th time Mark. 11th time Paul. And 12th and final time coming at... I can't even see my freaking time, man. Whatever time. Here we go. Winner is... Boom! Dave! You take it home to spot number 4, sir. We're going to go right down here. There's our verification code. And we're going to come back to 101. I guess. There we go. We are going to go done. Congratulations, Dave. Send me your info, and I'll get that out to you. Done time is 11:29. I cannot see a freaking time because my thing's in the way. 11:29. Thank you very much, and have a good night.